Coil. It is made of insulated copper wire wound on a soft iron core. In a DC motor, it is used to carry current in a magnetic field and develop electromagnetic torque. Commutator. It is a cylindrical brushes. The brushes of a DC motor are two small strips of carbon or armature. It is the part of a DC motor that rotates and provides energy at the end of the shaft. Permanent magnet. The permanent magnet is used in the DC motor to produce a battery. The battery is used to supply electric current in a DC motor.